Do you always feel completely safe riding public transit alone late at night? A man boarded the final subway train home, finding it completely empty. Between stations, the train stopped abruptly in absolute darkness. The lights flickered, and suddenly a pale woman in a torn dress was sitting directly across from him, staring with hollow eyes. When the lights blinked again, she was sitting right beside him. If this terrifying underground nightmare left you entirely breathless, please drop a like and subscribe for more truly frightening stories.